So some sanding marks on this fender have been bothering me for a long time. You can kind of see them here. They're the horizontals. They're pretty deep, and you can see it breaks everything up, and yeah, my reflection's all over the place. So my finger is where I stopped polishing, and there's a considerable improvement. I knew book knowledge wise that D300 plus a microfiber pad could get rid of sanding marks, but it's great to see it in person. So here we are again. Oh, refocus on my finger with the sanding marks on the right side and all the cloudiness. And this is just D300 on microfiber. Oh, back to my finger. Sanding marks